Fixing high CPU, memory, RAM, and disk usage is essential for maintaining your computer's performance and longevity. Excessive resource consumption can slow down your system, causing applications to lag or freeze, which leads to a frustrating user experience. The fastest and easiest way is to go to your search bar. Search for System Configuration. On this mini page, select on Boot. Click right here on Advanced Options. You will then uncheck this option of Number of Processors. Click on OK and select on Apply, then OK. Select on Restart. Your computer will restart to apply all the selected changes. Make sure to save open files and also close all programs. On your desktop, head to the search bar. Search for Edit Power Plan. Click right here on Change Advanced Power Settings. Select on High Performance. Right-click on this option of Processor Power Management. On Minimum Processor State, make it 0, and on Maximum Processor State, make it 100%. Select Apply and OK. Close the tabs. Lastly, get to the search bar and search for Run. Type Clean MGR. On this page, select all these cache and temporary files. I have a total of 268 megabytes if I clean up all these chunks. Tap on OK to proceed. Once deleted, even if you're facing a high disk, high RAM, or CPU usage, that will fix the problem. I don't want to make this long, but let me share the bonus tip. Head to the search bar, click on Run. Type in Temp. On this page, you will also have to delete all these chunks because they ain't required. Click right here to select all and Shift Delete. Your computer will totally be chunk-free, hence increasing its processing speed. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you find this helpful, just leave a thumbs up and share this video to help more other people out there. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. See you in the next one.